Hey, it's Laura with your latest tech update. Ever feel like juggling passwords is a crazy circus act you didn't sign up for? You're not alone. 1 in 4 of us struggles with password overload, which encourages bad habits, like using 12345 as your password, or reusing a password across multiple different accounts. But here's the scary part. Cybercriminals are cashing in on this, targeting businesses where the staff have these bad habits. Easy pickings. The answer is to give your team a password manager. This software creates long, random passwords, remembers them, and even fills in the login details for you. A password manager makes your life easier and your business safer at the same time. Want to know which one we recommend? Get in touch. That's your tech update. More next week.